Good morning, good morning. Well, good afternoon. It's 2:15. We are here at Kiki's Breakfast Cafe. My namesake. This is kind of an Orlando tradition for us. Anytime we come here, we try to go to this because it's my namesake. So me and RJ getting ready to go in here and get some breakfast. Figure we'd bring you along. There you go. Open it up. Alright, let's see. Here's the kids menu breakfast down here. So they have a Belgian waffle, cheese omelet, French toast sticks. Ooh, you had those in a while. $silver pancakes. Good, how are you?
I'm good, how are you? Love your camera, by the way.
Thank you.
My name is Wendy. I'm going to be your server. Let me know if you have any questions, okay?
Okay. Oh, they do. They have $silver pancakes with chocolate chips.
$silver pancakes with chocolate chips. I want bacon and sausage.
Okay, hold on. I'm not ready to order yet. Okay, can we wait a second?
Do you guys like anything to drink?
No, he's got a drink already, and I'm okay.
You don't want any water or anything?
Yeah, I'll take some water for you. That's fine. Let me see what I want. Good. All these different omelets. I'm gonna get, I think, either this Southwest omelet or this cheesesteak omelet, or I don't know, because this fajita omelet sounds good too. Maybe an Italian omelet? I don't know. Alright, so I ordered the Italian chicken omelet, and RJ ordered, what'd you order, RJ? $silver pancakes with chocolate chips. RJ loves chocolate chip pancakes. If y'all haven't figured that out back then. That's his go-to.
Sausages and bacon.
Yes, he had to have 2 pieces of sausage and 2 strips of bacon. So we'll see. He'll probably eat it all too because he loves breakfast. RJ's favorite thing to eat is breakfast. So we always try to come here again, like I said, because it's my namesake. RJ got $silver chocolate chip pancakes, and they look pretty good. We're waiting for his sausage and bacon to come. Get ready to cut them up for him.
They smell good.
Italian omelet. RJ got his bacon and sausage. Alright, so we just finished eating breakfast. What do you think, RJ?
You're a good person.
Thanks. How was the chocolate chip pancake?
It was good.
And the bacon?
Good.
And the
good.
sausage? Good?
You guys are all good.
Thank you. No, that's it. Yeah, we're all set. Thank you. And I had that Italian skillet was really, really, really good. Very good. The only thing that I would say I wish had been different is all of our food kind of came out separate. I wish it would have came out together, but not a big deal. It don't taste it really good. If you saw, RJ was actually done with his pancakes before his bacon and sausage showed up. But RJ eats fast too. So we're getting ready to get out of here and try to find the Disney character warehouse. So if we can find that, we'll do some vlogging there too. We'll be back. We found it. Let's look at the t-shirts and stuff. So we're at the Disney character warehouse at the Orlando Outlet Mall. I'm trying to get this to focus.
I mean, I found something Disney.
Whoa, that's a... Oh, it's like a train?
Yeah.
Here, these are some cute plates. Back in the day, oh, careful. We gotta get TT something. We gotta get Grandma Queen something. I want a lounge fly bag. Oh look, here's some button sets. Here's some buttons. What is this? An ornament? Do they have a red one? Our tree is gonna be red and green. Or red and white. So let's try to find a red one. Oh look. That's cool. Oh look, RJ. Look at this. Wouldn't that be cute to put one of our pictures in? You want to get that?
Yep.
Okay. Let's look back here at the t-shirts. Or what were you trying to show me? Those are really cute.
Over here.
Over where?
This one.
Okay. I'm following you.
Wherever I go?
Right now. Keychains. Forky.
Can I have a forky, worky, torky?
Wait, we'll put it back and we'll see what else you want. And we'll decide what you're gonna get.
I want this.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, put it in there.
Are you sure that it was good? You know the what are you talking?
Who's that? Is that the Roadrunner?
Huh?
Who is it? Do you know?
No.
I don't either. I want this autofocus. I'm trying to. Oh, we got a spirit jersey. I want a spirit jersey. These are how much? $45. Is Cinderella on here? I want one with Cinderella on it. Oh, what about this one? That's a cute one too.
Done.
I don't like it as much as the other one though.
¿Cuánto cuesta esta? Ah, pero es algún viejito.
Oh, this say Disneyland. I want a Disney World one. RJ, this is cute. You want one of these? Oh, RJ, do you want one of those? That's kind of cute.
Yeah.
Yeah? What? What's on that? That's cute. Get this for RJ, I think. Mickey Mouse, the original. I don't want one. I like that one, but it's small. Come on, we're going to the back of the store where the t-shirts are. Come on. Go all the way to the back. Careful, back.
Oh, I have a forky too.
Oh, what's this? Oh, look.
I declaim this lane.
Here's some beach towels.
Yeah. I declaim this lane to planet Earth. I declaim this lane to planet Earth.
Oh, yeah, we need some beach towels. We'll get those.
Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the cruise ship.
You ready to go back to the cruise ship?
Today,
I am
we're learning
too.
about surfing.
I am too, Boots. This is what I want. I really like these. They don't have any large, though.
I want it.
You want that one?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love it. I declaim it.
That's pretty.
Yes, absolutely pretty.
Yeah, it is.
How much it costs?
$35. Well, let's see if they have any other ones first, okay? I like this shirt.
I'm gonna get you, mommy.
You like this?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you, mommy. Ooh, ouch.
Ray loves the pens, so I'm trying to find him a pen that he would like. I found one, but it says 2020. I'm getting him this one, 2120 Disney Cruise Line. Let's get, who do you want to get keychains for, RJ? You want a keychain for TT and Auntie Brenda?
Yeah.
We need to find Pawpaw a cat. You hear me? We need to find Pawpaw a cap, okay? We can find one. Alright, so we just got out of the Disney Character Warehouse. It was kind of a madhouse in here, but we got some pretty cool stuff. I'll show you all a haul probably. If you want me to make that a video, comment down below if you want a haul video from my Disney Character Warehouse shopping experience. But anyway, we getting ready to try to find some dessert. So I did not have to do like a virtual check-in or virtual queue for the Disney Character Warehouse. A lot of people are saying you have had to do that recently because either of COVID or because of how busy it is, but I did not have to do that. I was able to walk right in, so that was nice. And it was not a long line for the checkout either, but it was a lot of people in there. Yeah.